Hi guys, Scott McFarlane here from Again Real Estate and welcome to 3 of 36 Petersen Crescent in beautiful Port Noarlunga. I've got a really unusual townhouse, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a double garage. It's in a beautiful location. You're close to Colonnade Shopping Centre and equal distance down to the beach, which is the perfect combination of convenience and lifestyle. Why don't we go inside and have a good look around? There you have it. It's a great design. I love the fact that this beautiful open plan living area with a huge kitchen is right down the back of the home and opens directly out to the courtyard. The bedrooms are a great size. They've all got built-in robes and there's a third toilet downstairs on this lower level for the convenience of you and your guests. It's a great product and I really think you're going to be impressed and I can't wait to see it and open soon.